स्वयंसेवक संघ के संस्थापक का मात्र ये सिर्फ स्मारक मात्र ही नहीं है, ये एक ऐसी जगह है जो संगठन की वैचारिक जड़ों से भी गहराइयों से जुड़ा हुआ है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कुछ देर पहले
RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has turned 75 today. And it's the Prime Minister who's showering praises on the Sangh chief. PM Modi has penned a note saying that Bhagwat is a living example of the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. According to him, Bhagwat has dedicated his life to societal transformation, strengthening the spirit of harmony and fraternity. PM Modi also said Bhagwat's tenure as RSS chief since 2009 will be remembered as one of the most transformative periods in its 100-year journey. Not just that, PM Modi has also highlighted two key attributes of Bhagwat: continuity and adaptation. And in these two words, the opposition has seen an afsar to attack the Prime Minister. The Congress claims that Modi needs the RSS now more than ever, because only Bhagwat can help end the 75-year retirement age limit.
This double standard exposes the double standard for those senior leaders in BJP and for Nagpur differently. Modi's tribute to Bhagwatji is not respect, it is a sycophancy. A signal to RSS leadership: don't apply 75 to me.
Opposition leaders have also slammed the Prime Minister for an over-the-top tribute, calling the birthday note a desperate bid to curry favour with the Sangh leadership. They've also questioned Bhagwat and the RSS role in India's freedom struggle and nation building.
ये एक प्रकार से प्रधानमंत्री का सरेंडर है आरएसएस के सामने। बीच में नड्डा साहब का एक बयान आया था पिछले 2024 के चुनाव से पहले कि हमें आरएसएस की अब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, हम इतना सक्षम है, इतने मजबूत हो चुके हैं, बड़ा संगठन इतना ग्रास रूट पर मजबूत हो गया है कि हमें किसी की ज़रूरत। उसका नतीजा उन लोगों ने देखा। जो बयान, जो उनका स्टेटमेंट है या जो उनका राइटिंग है, एक तो उसे खुश करने के लिए आरएसएस को उन्होंने दिया है, लिखा है।
The Prime Minister's letter comes amid renewed scrutiny of BJP-RSS ties. On Independence Day, he had praised the RSS from the ramparts of the Red Fort, acknowledging their work in promoting social harmony and national service. The public acknowledgement was seen as a signal of the continuing close ties between the BJP and the organization.
आज से 100 साल पहले एक संगठन का जन्म हुआ, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ। 100 साल की राष्ट्र की सेवा एक बहुत ही गौरवपूर्ण स्वर्णिम पृष्ठ है। सेवा, समर्पण, संगठन और अप्रतिम अनुशासन, जिसकी पहचान रही है, ऐसा राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ दुनिया का ये सबसे बड़ा एनजीओ है एक प्रकार से।
Just weeks ago, Bhagwat himself clarified that there are no rifts between the RSS and the BJP.
Struggle might be there, but there is no quarrel. Goal is the same. Good of our country, good of our people. If that understanding is there is always coordination.
Together, this right-wing duo forms a formidable force that shapes India's political landscape. Does a so-called divide then only exist in the minds of the opposition? Has Modi's effusive tribute silenced critics, or only made them more desperate?